Today we have a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is Single Mom Goes Nuts After Losing Her Vape, Ends Badly.
What's going on?
Hey, I was just up in my room looking for my vape, and it wasn't there.
Okay.
And she tried to put me out, and she called the police on me, and all of this goddamn bullshit. And I called the police too, just to make sure everything was okay and kosher. Because I'll go somewhere else. I don't mind that.
Okay.
But my shit is not in my goddamn room like it's supposed to be.
So you can't find your vape, and that's what started all of this.
No, it's not that. The whole thing that has started this is a conversation with her having with somebody else that she invited into this home right here. And I've been staying here for a long ass goddamn time.
I've talked to you here before.
More than 10, 12 years. And she want to invite somebody else up in here.
And she lives here as well.
Like she got this motherfucker off my goddamn name with my goddamn pastor.
Are you, it's been a while since I talked to you. Lashana or Tina? You're Lashana, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm Lashana.
Just trying to see if I remembered correctly.
I talked to
okay.
him.
And did anything get physical? What happened?
No, nothing got physical.
Kind of pissed off, yelling at each other?
Somebody just took my goddamn shit.
Okay. All right, let me go speak with her if you just want to talk to him for a second.
I want my goddamn shit. I need my shit.
Tina.
Let her work on this and we'll see what we can do.
She smell good. Ooh, you smell good. She smells good. Where she shop at? You don't know? Goodness, you need to learn something.
She been all over this house. You don't know where you set your vape down. You even been outside in the car sitting. That's why the door is open right now.
Has she been drinking?
Yes.
Okay, like she usually does.
She been doing good. She been doing good for the last 2 days. Been drinking. First day she felt she was doing okay, so she felt like she can drink the next day. No, you're not allowed to drink in my house. Those are your
And I completely understand that because she gets like
every
this.
time you drink,
She gets like
you
this.
get like this.
I don't know who my father is. Okay?
You know she like does this stuff all the time, obviously. The police department knows that. You
Only
know
when
that
she drinks.
when she drinks. And
I'm confused. I don't know if I should be white or black. You know?
here's my best advice to you. It's never gonna end. It's never gonna end. I see situations like this. Go to Madison County, get an order of protection. You can go today. Today is the last day you can do it until Monday.
I just want my vape though, because I paid $25 for that, and I've been paying for a lot for this goddamn house. And I wanted to pay for a washer and a dryer, but my washer and dryer just came up missing, and I just want my washer and dryer.
Okay.
I want my vape. My vape.
We have no idea where your vape is. I misplace mine all the time, okay? I don't know where it is either.
I'm finna be somebody's ass, honey.
Is there someplace else? You said that you have, like, someplace else that you can stay?
It was right there in the middle of the floor where I had it at. Now, the first time when we called you, she said that Razor...
I'm thinking this is the moment where things is going to start to take a... Oops, my mic is in the... got the mic be in the way, man. Messes up the shot. But anyways, I think this is where things is going to start to take a turn. All right. Because the question was, can you go somewhere else, pretty much? Okay. Because earlier she stated that she can go somewhere else. That's not a problem. But now that the officer says it, she decides to ignore that. and go off on another tangent because she's so stuck on this vape that she needs. And then another thing, which this isn't really on body cam topic, but since it was brought up in the video, of course, I gotta talk about it, man, because a guy like me, I have a nice cologne collection. Smell goods, candles, all that type of stuff. I love scents. But for a man, there is nothing better than a lady walking past. She walked past you, boom, minding her business or doing whatever. Maybe she got her girls, she talking with her girls, you just standing there, and she walking on by. And you got that trail, that whiff, that sweet perfume she got on. Not them body sprays, no. We talking some grown, sophisticated, we talking them grown and sexy perfumes, man. There's nothing better than that, man. Not them little $10 body sprays that you gotta spray about 15 times to make sure the scent lasts the whole goddamn. No, we ain't talking about that. We talking about them perfumes, man. Yeah. You know what I mean? Woo! A little bit go a long way, you know what I'm saying?
Door was up the street.
I don't know what that has to do with any of this. Right now, I'm focusing on kind of getting you two separated.
But you need to listen, though.
You guys need to separate.
Can you listen? Thank you. She sent Darian and Essence out here to look for Razul when Razul was supposedly up in the house. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is he in the house? Did you check?
There's no Razul in the house.
Did you check?
I was just in the house.
4, 5.
What are we doing? How are we separating you guys?
Did you check all 5 rooms?
That has nothing to do with this situation. How are we separating you guys?
All 5 rooms?
We can't search your entire house for a vape. Unfortunately, those things are incredibly easy to overlook.
Person?
Person?
A person.
You want me to look for a person?
A person.
Why? Who is this person that you expect to be in the house?
She said Razul.
Who's Razul?
What does Razul have to do with any of this?
You said
with what's going on right now.
You said it.
You brought this up.
No, I did not. You said it.
You're drunk. You're making 0 sense. How are we going to get you separated from her right now?
You know what? Just forget.
Can I give you a ride somewhere?
No, you cannot. I sit in a car because
if you sit behind that steering wheel.
Razul.
If you brought Razul.
Bye.
If you get behind that steering wheel.
Bye.
You've been drinking.
Bye.
You're not driving.
I can't pull off nowhere. It's dead.
You better back the up.
What?
Back the up right now.
What?
Back the up
Razul
right now.
what?
Back up.
Razul what?
Back
Your
up.
females be so motherfucking tough.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
You're not.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Why do you always do this shit?
We're good.
Y'all going
Get her
to
hand.
hell.
Get a cuff on there.
I swear to God, y'all going to hell. Y'all going to hell. Get my baby.
I got him.
Bitch,
why
shut
you
the up. Get my phone. There you go. There you go.
No, that's going with you.
There you go. No,
take
it's
it with
not.
her.
Come on, baby.
I swear to God, you better put that motherfucking phone down.
It's going with you, so when you get out,
No,
you
it's
call.
not.
Your mama needs to stop doing this.
Bitch, you need to shut the up.
You need to get
You so goddamn dumb, and bitch, you dumb too. Come on. Come on. Bitch, and you bet not.
Come on.
I'm not getting in your car.
You're getting in my car. Come on.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No. I'm getting in your car.
Damn, I like this officer. I ain't gonna lie. It's I don't know. It's something about her, man. I don't know, maybe she grew up with some brothers and something or whatever, but she's, you know, she got, you know, it's like she good, man. She got that feminine energy, man. But not feminine energy, I should say, but you know, with the smell good and all, she got that about her, right? But she will get you together. She got in her face. She said, back up out my face. She said, or what? Or what? Yoked her up. Ooh, got her. Oh, yeah. Come on, let's go. She trying to fight. She manhandling her. Come on. So she's strong too. It's like, damn, she got two brothers or something? She probably grew up with brothers and stuff. You know, because it looked like to me she got both sides, man. She got a little roughness with her, but yeah. See, you could tell when a chick grew up with some brothers or something, man. You know, because they still girl, you know, but they got a little roughness with them. Like, yo, what? Come on, man. You know, because you know siblings, they play fight and all that stuff. You know what I mean? So yeah, but this part right here, it's like all of it. This part, this is what I'm talking about right here.
Come on.
Watch.
Bitch, you better not. Come on. I'm not getting in your car.
You're getting in my car. Come on.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No. I'm getting in your car. I want to get in your car. Hello.
Battery's dead.
Hello. I have my motherfucking rights. I have my rights. Bitch, shut the fuck up talking to me. Shut the fuck up talking to me.
Get in.
Bitch, I hate you.
Get in.
I hate you.
Get in. Come on.
See, this is what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking about. Look at her. Oh yeah.
The suspect was charged with a felony count of battery on an officer and resisting arrest. She was sentenced to 2 years of probation and ordered to pay a $1,200 fine. The suspect
got her ass together, boy, by herself. Did you see that? Yo, threw her in there by herself. Dude ain't do nothing. He's walking around the other side, whatever. She tossed her in there. What? Oh yeah. She got two brothers, man. I ain't trying to hear that. She got 2-3 brothers, man. Yeah, you could tell. This ain't one of them old group of all girls and all of that. Nah. This ain't one of them families where the dad and mom, they just had ended up with 5 girls and shit. Nah. This ain't that, man. She got some brothers, man. I like this officer right here, man. This is what I'm talking about. We already know how the ladies give it up when there's a lady suspect. This one can hold her own when it comes to the females, man. She can hold, this female officer right here can hold her own when it comes to the females. You could tell when it'd be like some of the female cops is like, you know, they're too girly. Like, it's too like, nah, like it needs to be a nice balance. You know what I mean? Keep up with yourself, keep up with your maintenance. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at her, I'm like, okay. Nails done, okay. She little makeup on, okay. She doing her thing, she keeping up with herself, but not over the top. She's not like girl, like not over the top. Just keeping it clean, professional. Yeah. But when it's time to get busy, she ready to get busy. This is what you need right here. I loved it. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video, helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.